In this video, I'll show you how to build a full-stack app with Bolt.New from a prompt. First, open your web browser and go to the Bolt.New website. Sign into your account and start a new project. Next, describe the application you want to build in the prompt box. Explain the purpose of the app, the target users, the main features, and the design style you want. You can also include requirements such as user authentication, a database, APIs, dashboards, or payment integration. Now, submit your prompt and let Bolt.New generate your full-stack application. It will create the user interface, backend logic, project structure, and supporting files based on your instructions. After that, review the generated application and test the main features. If you want to make changes, continue chatting with Bolt.New and ask it to add new pages, improve the design, connect external services, or implement additional functionality. Next, connect your database, configure environment variables, and test both the frontend and backend to make sure everything works together correctly. Finally, review your completed application, make any final improvements, and deploy it when you're ready to share it with users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a full-stack app with Bolt.New from a prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.